Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the Milwaukee Hex Jaw Best Fit Strong Hold. Item number 48-22-6208. It is a 8-inch comfort grip V-jaw pliers from Milwaukee. Let's see what they have on the back of it. So, you can use it for reaming up to 1/2-inch pipe, slim design head, and you can also get this in a 10-inch size. So that's good. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we're working with. We'll put that to the side. So we got this right here. Looks like it locks in place by this little push button right here. Pretty good. All the way. All the way. Doesn't quite open all the way like other kind of channel locks. If you have any other kind, it actually locks in place and then doesn't move any further than that. Let's look at the back of it. If you see when you push the actual button, it moves. Okay. So if you see it from the angle. The only thing I don't quite like about this, and it's small, but it's that this is protruding out from there because it works as a push button. So that's the only thing I don't quite like about it so far that I see. If you see the handles, good. Got some metal there, got some good plastic here. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Fit good in the hand. Alrighty. Again, this was the Milwaukee Hex Jaw 8-inch comfort grip V-jaw pliers, item number 48-22-6208. We'll be working with to see how it works, but I'll be adding this to my tool bag. Let me know if you like this video. Think about subscribing and show you some more coming up. Have a great day. Bye.